Today we're going to be painting our nursery. So we've done like a white coat everywhere because it was blue. And then we're going to do two walls grey, and then we've been using this tape to tape out some mountings, which will either work or won't work. So we'll have a look and see how we get on. Dun dun dun. Has it worked?
It's pretty straight so far.
That looks so good. You're well chuffed with yourself, aren't you?
Okay, that really good.
So the silk didn't work very well, but all the other paints look awesome. Fine tuning. How pretty is this green? So the colours we used were Morning Melon by Corage, Chick Shadow by Dulux. We got this in the once because we brought this to do the white and it was absolutely terrible. We had to do 3 coats in the end, so we just thought it'd be good paint. And then this colour is the Oro Antico by Corage. These colours are really nice actually. And then we've got the one that went wrong, the Copper Blush by Dulux, but it did go on really well, to be fair. That's the sort of thing I was thinking.
Okay.
So the stickers are done. I decided that I wanted grass, so we dry brushed it on, and I think it looks amazing. And this sticker is from Not on the High Street. It comes with little owls and a sunshine. It goes round into our mountains. You have to duck out the way. It's actually been pretty easy to do. And the only argument we've had is where to put this fox. He's home now. So we'll show you it again when it's fully done with new flooring and all the furniture in. I love it.